This episode of Blacklist Builds, Serg has finished up repairing the Q3, so we're going to go over and see the final result. Keep in mind that most of the damage was done on the driver's side, and this side looks immaculate. Headlight was replaced, bumper was replaced, the 3 sections. There's a little bit of dirt on it because this car was sitting outside, but other than that, this car looks really clean. I'm gonna turn the car on right now. And there are no warning lights for the airbags and engine. The only 2 warning lights we have right now is the fuel and the windshield wiper fluid amount, so everything else looks pristine. It only has 29,000 miles on it, so it's a relatively new car. Steering wheel airbag has been replaced. The curtain airbag has been replaced. The seat belt that I'm wearing right now has been replaced. All right, Serg, so what were some difficulties when building this car?
Difficult was to find used headlights, LED headlights, and these fog light covers. That S-line fog light covers, each cover cost $210. I found it on eBay for $100 both sides, but use one plastic piece which goes for the parking sensor, each $85. So if you're gonna buy it from a dealership, you're gonna spend like $600 just for the covers, and we not expect the windshield. All other stuff, everything's good, car's done. Customer gonna come pick up tomorrow, titles in the office.
So Serg, would you ever rebuild the Q3 again?
No.
No? So in terms of the parts, Serg was saying that because
hard
there's...
to find all parts to Q3 because they're not popular car and hard to find used parts. For A4, S4, S5, a lot of on the market, and you can find used on the eBay or junkyards. For Q3, that we're lucky we found the headlights, because the tire headlights too expensive, and grill, that all other hood, bumper, that S-line that we bought it, one piece of the bumper. Here goes 3 pieces of the bumper, 1, 2, and lower piece. This piece $550 each piece costs.
So that side 500, that side 500.
I found one for $100 used one.
There's not too many of these on the road in terms compared to the A4s and A5s. This car is a little bit harder to find parts with. That's why we had to get the entire headlights assembly instead of just one lens. What's the process to get the rebuild title?
Rebuild title in New Jersey, you need to go to DMV, flip the title to your own name, pay $200 for the salvage inspection, fix the car, take the whole receipt. If that used parts, you need to provide the VIN number from which car you had the parts, because they check if they're not from stolen car. Set up the appointment for the inspection, that about 3-4 weeks, and after you go to the inspection, they check how you fix the car, all parts, they check if you have all receipts, everything on the car, and after you get the certificate, you pass the inspection, you go back to DMV, they give you the clean title in New Jersey, the salvage history. In New Jersey, they call like clean title, the salvage history.
So all these titles, they vary with each state with the regulations.
Yes.
So, but in the state of New Jersey, you get a clean title with a salvage history. So no more Q3s, right?
No.
What's next though?
We'll see.
We'll see. With that, I'm going to conclude the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below. I'll see you guys on the next rebuild.